If you're looking for the best cycling gloves, you're in the perfect spot. Whether you're cycling through rugged mountain trails or cruising down smooth roads, having the right gloves can make all the difference. In this video, we'll walk you through the top 5 cycling gloves, diving into their features, usability, and why they might be the perfect fit for you. We've done the hard work of researching and analyzing hundreds of products so you don't have to. Stick around as we break down these incredible cycling gloves one by one. Each of these products is designed to elevate your cycling experience, providing comfort, protection, and performance. And don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details and the best deals. Let's get started. Number 5. MOREOK Bike Gloves 5M Liquid Gel Pad. Bicycle Gloves. The MOREOK bike gloves are a fantastic choice for anyone seeking comfort and durability in their cycling gear. Designed with gel liquid silicone padding, these gloves provide excellent shock absorption, reducing hand fatigue on long rides. The breathable material ensures your hands stay cool even during intense cycling sessions, while the washable design means they'll last ride after ride. With options for both men and women in a variety of sizes, they're perfect for any cyclist. However, these gloves may not offer full, windproof capabilities, making them less ideal for cold weather rides. Additionally, some users might find the padding slightly bulky for shorter commutes. Overall, the MOREOK gloves are an excellent choice for mountain and road cyclists looking for comfort and support during extended rides. Number 4. Westbiking Summer Cycling Gloves. The Westbiking summer cycling gloves are perfect for warm weather riders. Featuring breathable polyester and spandex material, these gloves are lightweight yet durable, offering excellent grip with their non-slip silicone palms. They also include touchscreen compatibility, so you can easily use your devices without taking off the gloves. One downside is that these gloves are not designed for colder climates or heavy rain, as they lack insulation and waterproofing. Additionally, while they're washable, the light material may wear out faster with frequent use. Overall, they are a fantastic option for casual cyclists or summer enthusiasts. Number 3. Giyo Windbreaking Cycling Full Finger Gloves. The Giyo Windbreaking gloves combine functionality with style, featuring a sleek design and multiple color options. Made from Lycra and nylon, these gloves are not only lightweight but also windproof, keeping your hands warm on brisk rides. They also include anti-slip palms for a secure grip and touchscreen compatibility, making them versatile for modern cyclists. While they provide great wind resistance, they are not waterproof, which might be a drawback for rainy conditions. Additionally, the material might feel slightly thin for those needing extra padding. Nevertheless, they are an excellent option for those looking for stylish, lightweight gloves with essential features for road cycling. Number 2. ROCKBROS Bike Gloves. Spring-Autumn Breathable Full Finger Gloves. The ROCKBROS bike gloves are an outstanding choice for mid-season cycling. With breathable materials like polyester and spandex, these gloves provide a comfortable fit while ensuring your hands stay sweat-free. The screen touch functionality allows seamless access to your devices, and the full-finger design offers moderate warmth for spring and autumn rides. However, these gloves are not the best for extremely cold weather or heavy-duty cycling, as they lack additional padding or insulation. Some users may also find the sizing runs small. Despite these minor cons, the ROCKBROS gloves are a dependable and versatile option for cyclists in mild weather. Number 1. LAMEDA Men's Cycling Gloves. Windproof Warm Cycling Gloves. The LAMEDA men's cycling gloves top our list for their superior quality and all-weather performance. These gloves are windproof and warm, making them ideal for colder climates. Crafted from microfiber, they offer a snug fit and impressive durability. The touchscreen compatibility and water-resistant design ensure you're ready for any adventure, whether on rugged trails or urban roads. One potential drawback is the slightly higher price compared to other options, and they might feel too warm for summer rides. However, for cyclists who value durability, warmth, and all-around protection, the LAMEDA gloves are a must-have. They truly stand out as the best choice for any serious cyclist.